Welcome to the topic on resolvers for prefetching data before route activation. In this session, we'll explore the concept of resolvers in Angular, which allow us to prefetch data before activating a route. Resolvers help in loading necessary data from a server or a local data source before rendering the component associated with a route. This ensures that the component has all the required data available when it is displayed, providing a smoother user experience. 1. Introduction to resolvers. Resolvers are custom classes or services that implement the resolve interface. The resolve interface has a single method resolve, which is responsible for fetching the required data. When a route is activated, Angular will automatically invoke the resolve method of the associated resolver before navigating to the route. 2. Implementing a resolver. To create a resolver, we first define a class that implements the resolve interface and overrides the resolve method. In this example, we created a resolver named DataResolver, which depends on a data service to fetch the required data. The resolve method returns an observable that emits the data. 3. Applying the resolver. To apply the resolver to a route, we use the resolve property in the route configuration. In this example, we applied the DataResolver to the dashboard route and the user resolver to the user ID. When the user navigates to these routes, Angular will call the respective resolvers to fetch the required data before rendering the associated components. 4. Using resolved data in components. Once the resolver fetches the data, it can be accessed in the component using the activated route service. In this example, the resolved data is accessed using this route snapshot data dashboard component. Summary. Resolvers in Angular enable us to fetch necessary data before activating a route, ensuring that components have all the required data available when displayed. By implementing custom resolvers and applying them to specific routes, we can optimize the loading process and provide a smoother user experience. In the next chapter, we'll explore more advanced Angular topics to further enhance your development skills.